Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video we are going to lock down your browsing in Vivaldi step by step. What we'll cover is tracking and ad blocking, cookie management, DNS security, WebRTC leak prevention and search privacy. All GUI, no terminal and no third-party extensions unless we really need them. So the first thing we're going to do is enable tracker and ad blocking. Trackers follow you across sites and ads can be malicious, so Vivaldi's built-in ad blocker stops both. So to do this we want to open up Vivaldi, and then you want to go to the settings wheel down in the bottom left hand corner, and then scroll down until you see privacy and security, and then we want to scroll down and you will see trackers and ad blocking, and you want to just select block trackers and ads. This will block most trackers and ads without needing uBlock Origin. And while we're here, just scroll back up to the top and you will see tracking prevention, and you want to make sure ask websites not to track me is also enabled. Next, we want to block third-party cookies. Third-party cookies are the main way sites track you across the internet, so blocking them cuts most cross-site tracking. So to do this, open up settings down in the bottom left, and then you want to go to privacy and security and scroll down until we get to third-party cookies, and here we want to select block all. Just to be aware, some sites break with this and you can allow per site via the shield icon when you are visiting different websites. Moving on to secure DNS. DNS is how your computer finds websites. Your ISP can see every domain you visit, so we can secure DNS will encrypt this. So to do this, you want to go to settings again. Then you want to scroll down to network, and you'll see DNS over HTTPS. And for this example, I'm going to select Cloudflare. And this encrypts DNS queries and it prevents ISP snooping and also can block malicious domains. Next, we have WebRTC leak prevention. WebRTC can leak your real IP even when using a VPN, and so Vivaldi has a setting for this. So if we go to settings, and then you want to go to privacy and security, and then you'll see under tracking prevention, broadcast IP for best WebRTC performance. We want to uncheck this box, and this will it basically stops WebRTC from revealing your real IP address. Next up is search privacy. Search suggestions send everything you type to your search engine, so we want to disable them. So go back to the menu in the bottom left hand corner, the cogwheel, and then go to search, and over in search options you want to uncheck search in the field address and also uncheck show search field on speed dial. Then go over to the left and select privacy and security, and search under search you want to make sure that search in the address field is unchecked, suggestions in address field is unchecked, and suggestions in search field is also unchecked. Alright, so now we're going to disable Google services. Vivaldi includes Google services for convenience, and if you don't use Google then you may as well disable them. So to do this we're going to go down to the settings in the bottom left, and then from here you want to go to privacy and security, and here you'll see Google extensions. Meet was originally Hangouts. We're going to disable that if you don't use Google Meet, obviously. And Web Store, we will disable this if you don't install Chrome extensions. Basically, what this will do, it will reduce Google's presence in your browser. History and data cleanup. Browsing history, cache, cookies, they all build up over time. So we will set an automatic cleanup. And to do this, you want to go down to settings in the bottom left, scroll to privacy and security. And then if we go down, you will see safe save browsing history, and you want to select session only, or you could select 1 day, but I will go with session only. And there is a browser restart required for the new setting to take effect. And this will basically, it's an automatic cleanup, but it's less tracking residue. All right, and per site controls. Some sites need exceptions, and Vivaldi lets you control permissions per site. So to do this, you could go to whatever your favorite site is. And if you see the little shield up in the address bar, and if we select that, here you can see you can change it to no blocking, block trackers. It's currently blocking trackers and ads. And also there are some more settings if you want to go and show privacy dashboard. So it's fine-tuned control without breaking the sites you need. And fingerprinting. Vivaldi doesn't have built-in fingerprinting protection, but we can add it by using the Canvas Blocker Fingerprint Protect extension. You can get it at the Chrome Web Store. And it works pretty well. Fingerprinting tracks you by your browser's unique characteristics, and by using this extension, you should be good to go. All right, and to just recap what we have done, we enabled tracker and ad blocking. We blocked third-party cookies, secured DNS, prevented WebRTC leaks, disabled search suggestions, reduced Google services, set up automatic cleanup, and added fingerprinting protection via an extension. So that's a strong baseline for private browsing in Vivaldi. Alright, so I would just like to thank you for watching, and if you would please give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, and consider subscribing to the channel if you found this video helpful. Also, if you would like me to do a video on setting up uBlock Origin with Vivaldi for even better protection, or how to configure Vivaldi Sync for privacy, again, just let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.